Welcome to this presentation on evaluating the efficacy of open source LLMS in enterprise-specific RAG systems, a comparative study of performance and scalability. This research was conducted by Gautam B. et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The increasing reliance on large language models for natural language processing tasks, particularly retrieval augmented generation, faces significant cost and accessibility barriers with proprietary solutions for enterprise-specific data. This work addresses the underexplored application of open source RAG systems within enterprise contexts, where data is often vast and scattered. We relax the assumption that proprietary models are necessary for competitive performance, investigating if open source LLMs can deliver comparable accuracy and efficiency. Our theoretical contribution is demonstrating the viability and specific performance characteristics of open source LLMs in RAG for enterprise datasets. Our methodology constructs an enterprise-specific RAG system, starting with data scraped from https://i-venturi.org/ and chunked using recursive character text splitter with a 1024 TOKEN limit and 102 TOKEN overlap. Embeddings are generated by BAI by BGE, LARGE, ENV15 and stored in FIS. The core RAG component utilizes a hybrid retriever, combining BM25 and FIS with equal weightage, followed by retrieval QA from LangChain. We integrated open source LLMs, specifically LLMA3, 8B and MISTRAL, 8x7B, via the Perplexity API for cost-effective inference. On the Deep Eval framework, LLAM3 8B significantly outperformed MISTRAL 8x7B in unigram precision across all four question categories, Table 1 versus Table 2, despite having fewer parameters. This lift is primarily attributed to LLAMA3 8B's training on 15 trillion tokens and instruction tuning, compared to the strongest prior baseline GPT-3, 5. LLAMA3 8B slightly exceeds its 0.77 unigram precision with values ranging from 0.737 to 0.82. And both LLAMA3 8B and MISTRAL 8x7B surpassed GPT-3, 5 in contextual recall and relevancy. However, both open source models fall short of GPT-3.5 0.98 contextual precision. Our findings indicate that LLAMA3 8B's superior performance over MISTRAL 8x7B, particularly in unigram precision, stems from its extensive 15 trillion token training and instruction tuning rather than simply a higher parameter count. This relaxes the assumption that more parameters or a larger context window, as determined by top K values, always translate to better RAG performance. Beyond a certain top K, retrieved information becomes irrelevant. Platon cosine similarity figure 1. A key limitation is that these results are specific to the https://i-v-entqre.org/dataset and may not generalize to other enterprise datasets due to the small sample size of 3 questions per category for the top K analysis. This study concludes that open source LLMs, when integrated into RAG systems, can achieve accuracy and relevance comparable to commercial LLMs for enterprise-specific data, relaxing the assumption of proprietary model necessity. We found that increasing a top K context length does not significantly improve answer quality, suggesting that large context windows are not always beneficial for enterprise QA tasks. Furthermore, LLAMA38B's outperformance of MISTRAL 8x7B demonstrates that LLM parameter count does not necessarily correlate with RAG-based question answering efficacy. Cosine similarity with ground truth answer emerges as a reliable and efficient metric for evaluating RAG answer quality.